In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become an essential tool for businesses to connect with their target audience. Among the various platforms available, Twitter stands out as a powerful platform for reaching potential customers and driving business growth. However, many businesses struggle to effectively utilize Twitter to its full potential. If you find yourself in this predicament, fear not. In this article, we will provide you with 10 powerful tips to master the art of tweeting and unleash a flood of customers. Craft compelling tweets that captivate your audience. The key to standing out on Twitter is crafting compelling tweets that capture your audience's attention. Use emotional objectives such as curiosity or excitement to describe your reader's problem. For example, instead of simply stating, "New product launch," try, "Unveiling our groundbreaking product that will revolutionize your life." This approach creates intrigue and entices users to click on your tweet. Utilize hashtags strategically. Hashtags are an integral part of Twitter culture and can significantly increase the visibility of your tweets. Research popular hashtags relevant to your industry or topic and incorporate them into your tweets strategically. This way, when users search for those specific hashtags, they are more likely to come across your content. Engage with your audience through replies. Twitter is all about fostering conversations and building relationships with your audience. Take the time to reply promptly and thoughtfully when users engage with your content or mention you in their tweets. By actively engaging with others on Twitter, you create a sense of authenticity and build trust among potential customers. Share valuable content from others. While promoting your own products or services is important on Twitter, it's equally crucial to share valuable content from others within your industry or niche. This demonstrates that you're not solely focused on self-promotion but also committed to providing value to your audience. Retweeting insightful articles or sharing helpful tips from industry experts positions you as a reliable source of information. Include visuals in your tweets. Visual content is highly engaging and can significantly increase the likelihood of user interaction with your tweets. Incorporate eye-catching images, GIFs, or videos that are relevant to your tweet's message. This not only grabs attention but also helps convey information more effectively. Leverage Twitter polls for market research. Twitter polls are an excellent way to gather valuable insights about your target audience's preferences and opinions. Use them strategically by asking questions related to your business or industry, allowing you to tailor your products or services accordingly. Schedule tweets for optimal visibility. Timing plays a crucial role in the success of your tweets. Utilize social media management tools like Hootsuite or Buffer to schedule tweets at times when your target audience is most active on Twitter. By doing so, you ensure maximum visibility and engagement with minimal effort. Collaborate with influencers. Influencer marketing has become increasingly popular on social media platforms, including Twitter. Identify influencers within your industry who have a substantial following and align with your brand values. Collaborating with these influencers through sponsored tweets or partnerships can expose your business to their dedicated fan base and attract new customers. Analyze data for continuous improvement. To truly master the art of tweeting, it's essential to analyze data regularly and make data-driven decisions regarding content strategy and engagement tactics on Twitter. Use analytics tools provided by Twitter itself or third-party applications like Sprout Social or Google Analytics to gain insights into what works best for reaching and converting potential customers. Utilize promoted tweets for increased reach. Promoted tweets allow you to amplify the reach of specific tweets by targeting users based on demographics, interests, location, etc., beyond just those who follow you. This feature enables you to reach a wider audience and increase the chances of attracting new customers. In conclusion, by implementing these 10 powerful tips, you can master the art of tweeting and unleash a flood of customers for your business. Craft compelling tweets, utilize hashtags strategically, engage with your audience, share valuable content from others, include visuals in your tweets, leverage Twitter polls for market research, schedule tweets for optimal visibility, collaborate with influencers, analyze data for continuous improvement, and utilize promoted tweets. Embrace these strategies and watch as your Twitter presence grows exponentially while driving significant business growth.